Hello my friends! Today we're showing you guys the stainless steel hose reel. Stainless steel hose reel. So this is it. Now we're trying not to touch this because they did put grease stuff on here. But this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's got a little weight to it, but it's not too bad. They already have your pre-hose on here, so all you have to do is connect to the ends, which is nice. So if you can see inside, you connect your hose into there, and then you connect this hose to your faucet. So this would get connected to your faucet, and then inside here you thread your hose on. So you thread that inside your hose, and then you just simply wrap it all up. Now there's other options that you guys can do as well, but this is what it looks like, guys. Now, once it's not winter out, we'll be hooking this up probably in the spring, maybe summer, because, well, it was supposed to be better weather, but we take a look out here, you can see we just got some snow. So I guess the groundhog said that the snow is over, but I personally think he should have had his coffee because he was wrong. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That is the hose reel.